So far, they have described a lot of safety features which comes together with the lift. So far, overall, since I've been just using it recently, so far everything is okay. But they have enlightened a lot of safety features, which is a sensor, quite efficient. So far, it's okay lah, based on my experience. I've gone through a lot of research before I start choosing your particular services. I went through a lot of website and then the feedback and then a lot of brochures. Then finally I was quite impressed and all that, so I was a bit convinced, so that's why I choose the Elite Elevators. The lift is quite smooth, perfectly fine. Okay, as look into the thing, I was comparing to the other producers of the lift home elevators. Only thing was eye-catching was your elevators lah. Finally, I decided to go to a more stable and reliable, which I choose the Elite. Definitely, you can try on. It's worthwhile. Finally, they have they maintain their standards.